Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Then type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type run space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.